Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the 2020 Arteon. We're going to work on the hands-free parking. What do you do first? You turn it on here, that's the park assist. And then your turn signal, you indicate which side you want to park on. Today we're going to park on the left-hand side for this demonstration, so I got the left-hand turn signal on. Just pull forward, and you have to be driving less than 24 miles an hour. And the vehicle is searching for a spot big enough for it to park. As you come up to one, it's going to let me know on the dash when it finds a spot for me. Then I'm going to stop, put the vehicle in reverse, and there's no hands. No hands at all. All you do is control the brake and the gas. So there's no hands, and the car is going to do its magic. And it will indicate to let you know go forward or backwards. Right now it's telling me go forwards. It's telling me to put the brake on. I'm going reverse again. And there you go.